So growing up, my parents tried really hard to provide us education and other basic necessities, but there was always this emphasis on doing something more from just apart from studies. So I've come to realize that there is a creative side to everyone, be it in art or in engineering or any other forms of life. So as a kid, I used to paint a lot, and it used to make me very happy. And over time, I lost touch because I went on to pursue my engineering degree at IIT Kanpur in India, and then I came to US to pursue my PhD in material science. And I thought, why don't I take up my hobby again? And I started to paint again. And what I used to do is whatever I used to look at the microscope in the lab, I used to project it on canvas using acrylic and the macro scale. And this was like therapy to me. It made me more sane during my PhD. And we also used to go around in Florida and exhibit my art. And the people's responses were really overwhelming to me. And that's who I am.
So my dad is a mechanical engineer, and as a kid I used to see him fixing broken things in house like AC or washing machine, and that used to make me curious as how things work. So and I would open up my toys just to see what's inside and how it works. That used to motivate me to pursue engineering as a career, and that became reality when I went to IIT Kharagpur for my engineering degree. Later on I went to PhD for materials engineering. And during my PhD, in my free time, I would have multiple projects to fix my old dysfunctional car, like window regulator or suspension, stuff like that. So it was a lot of fun when I could mix my real life problem statement with my research, and it used to give me a lot of pleasure and satisfaction. So we met through a common friend, and there was an instant connection. We had the same taste in movies and outdoor activities, and when I came to know that she had same material science background as me, I was I had an instant nerdy crush on her. And then she ended up coming to same university where we both pursued our PhDs together.
Yeah, with that, we became lab mates. So from lab mates, we went to roommates, so life partners, and now co-workers at Micron. So in the last 7 years, we have carved so many memories together. We traveled together, and we got married actually last year in November. And because we come from different states in India, we had this blast at our crazy multicultural wedding. I'm Swetha. This is Shashank.
And we are process development engineers at Micron Technology.